Hello, my name is Justin Johnston, and I've been the Executive Director at the Community of Hope Health Clinic since 2015. After the COVID-19 pandemic was deemed officially over, our organization began looking toward the future and build off of what we were able to accomplish in a time when many were at a standstill. Our clinic has grown, the number of services offered has grown, we've moved again, and yet we still provide quality health care in our ever-changing model.
Our patients are Shelby County residents who live at or below 200% of the federal poverty guidelines and do not have access to private insurance or government programs such as Medicare, Medicaid, or VA benefits. Our facility continues to adapt to the needs of our community, and we strive to offer what is best for our patients. Not only are our patients able to see a variety of specialists at CHHC, we are also able to get them the services that address the social determinants of health outside of the clinic, even those that don't appear to be health-related. At Community of Hope Health Clinic, we want to be all-inclusive for our patients so that they know we care for them.
Well, I think as far as the community at whole, I think it helps to provide care for people who are uninsured. A large part of our population here is Hispanic, but we do have a portion of people that are Caucasian and African American who fall through the cracks and don't have insurance. And so I think that it's very helpful for those that are uninsured to have a place to go and to get quality care.
In July 2023, CHHC moved yet again to another location to provide services in a more efficient manner. With 7 exam rooms, a medication dispensary, 2 triage rooms, a satellite office for the Hispanic Interest Coalition of Alabama, and an administrative wing, CHHC is able to provide more services simultaneously unlike ever before. Currently, we offer primary care, physical therapy, mental health and counseling, prenatal, dermatology, and a medication dispensary. CHHC is in the process of opening an optometry clinic to accommodate diabetic and hypertensive patients. Another priority of the clinic is also to administer point-of-care testing to help providers evaluate their patients in real time. In addition to what we were able to provide within our clinic walls, we were able to utilize our fifth wheel mobile clinic 40 times per year to go out into the community and offer basic services to those with transportation issues.
Our volunteers are very important when it comes to our services. With the exception of a small paid staff and a few contract workers, CHHC utilizes volunteer providers, nurses, interpreters, students, and general volunteers to run the clinic.
I remember my first day volunteering at the clinic and knowing that this is where I want to be, just knowing the impact that we cause with our patients in their lives made me want to stay. I think the mission and the vision of the clinic goes exactly with my personality. And the clinic offers a lot to me, and I also offer to the clinic what I can do for the patients and the volunteers.
As I've spent many times here at the clinic, I've been able to build a lot of relationships with the coordinators, the volunteers, and the patients. They bring a lot of joy to my life on a regular basis. That's why I love coming here. The people that I encounter, they're so grateful and thankful that they have a place they can go to get help, and it just warms my heart to be able to participate in a community such as great as CHHC.
We could not be able to run clinic without our volunteers. The providers are the ones who give all the medical care to the patients, and the other volunteers, interpreters, nurses, EMTs, general volunteers, they all play such a vital role in the clinic being able to be successful.
The Community of Hope Health Clinic strives to be a service organization, an example of not only what Jesus told his disciples, but also what Paul wrote in his epistle to the Romans. In chapter 12, Paul wrote, "Share with the Lord's people who are in need, practice hospitality." Our goal at the Community of Hope Health Clinic is to make our patients feel the love and hospitality they deserve as human beings. We want our patients to believe that when they walk through our doors, they're receiving the same level of care as if they were walking in any paid clinic in the state of Alabama.
The Community of Hope Health Clinic has been fundamental to my health. Without the clinic, I would not have been able to cover the expenses related to my medical condition.
As a testament to this, volunteers at the Community of Hope Health Clinic provided nearly $220,000 worth of in-kind services in 2023. That equates to $100 for each patient visit incurred for the year.
There are multiple costs associated with providing good quality health care for our patients.
We get a lot of our funding from grants. We have different relationships with places like Shelby County, the Shelby County Community Health Foundation. We get grants both national, statewide. We're members of the Alabama Association of Free and Charitable Clinics, so we're in the state budget. So we get our fundings from a very diversified portfolio, I guess you could say. But even with that said, we do rely on private donations. We rely on community businesses. We rely on individuals. We rely on churches. And so while the majority of our funding comes from grants, we still have the need for funding to come from the community.
I would love to see our budget grow in terms of, again, a lot of what we do, we all do it out of love, out of dedication, out of our desire for service and helping the community. But I definitely think that there are opportunities to increase the funding so that we could do more for the patients.
Making a donation or supporting the clinic is not only supporting the clinic itself, but also supporting the whole community we have with us.
This place is they do such amazing work, and they should definitely participate, whether it's financially or with their time, because they're making an impact on lives that they don't encounter every day.
For every $100 donated, our patients will receive the comprehensive care they deserve, the commitment they need, all the referrals and follow-up appointments, medications, and feel the love of our community. For more information about our clinic and its services, you can go to www.communityofhopeclinic.com.